type of services that I give to like my clients right now. It's summer, it's hot. I don't think that I could mow right now, but I do want to put them on a mowing schedule. Well, like where should I start?
Yeah. So if you're starting in the middle of summer, you got to realize that you need customers, and the only reason that you get a customer if they have a problem for you to solve. And if there's no problem in the way of grass right now because it's not growing, you got to focus on what is the pain point. And so if that is property cleanups, then you should be knocking on people's doors and not talking about their grass. You should be telling them, hey, my name is Bob. I can go ahead and clean up the leaves that are just falling down. I can pull the weeds out of the flower beds, whatever you need. I'm here for you. You give them a door hanger, you give them some sort of lid or a business card, whatever it is, and then you're out of there. And you do that 100 times in a nice neighborhood where people actually want to obtain, keep their lawn looking good, keep everything looking good. You're going to get customers. And now you're going to be parked at one place for an entire day. And hopefully your truck is decaled. You have some sort of, painted, or your contact information, your uniform. Now you're being seen by all their neighbors for that entire day. And so the goal right now should be, what's the pain point? Which if it's property cleanups, go for property cleanups. And then when you get that customer, don't try to sell them on mowing. Just realize that when their next pain point comes along, if you do a good job, you'll be able to sell it at that point. So even right now, if you got, say, 15 or 20 property cleanups done in the next couple months while you're getting the business off the ground, well, when the grass starts growing again, you'll have 20 people to go back to and say, hey, yeah, I did a great job on your property cleanup. Why don't I go ahead and get you set up for mowing? Or better yet, when you're done the property cleanup, tell them, hey, why don't I go ahead and schedule you to get the mowing done once the grass starts growing again? So just focus on the current pain point to get started. And then that momentum and those contacts will become your future customers for the recurring side of things.